So I'll be showing you how to change the language on your iPhone 15. I have the 15 Pro Max, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So what you want to do is go into settings, just go to the main settings page. And on this settings page, scroll down to general, tap on that. And then under general, you should see language and region, tap on that. And then you can see you have preferred languages here. For instance, I have English and Espanol. If you want to add a different language from the ones on this list, just tap on add language. And then let's, for instance, add German. Okay, so tap on German. And then it's going to ask you whether you want to use this or download and keep the previous language. I'll just choose use German. And that's going to put the screen black a bit. And now you can see the entire menu is in German. Okay. And that's basically how to change the language on your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.